how to make slime. First, we're gonna ask. And then we're gonna put some activator. Up. Sip. Sit on. They put it in.
It's starting to form actually. Look, oh, look, it's not actually starting to form.
Okay, now I put in the normal one. So, my blanket. Like what? Wow. Thank you. I'm saying thank you. Wait, I need to put more. There. There. They make it less stickier. Ugh. Isn't that actually need more? Like, wow. It's making. I didn't think that it was gonna work, but I already know it works. ASMR. Like what the?